Hi guys, now today I'm going to discuss this orchid which I bought from the shops, and all the flowers actually faded away, and I was nearly tempted to throw it away because on the actual package it did say lasts for 28 days. So I assumed after 28 days the plant dies, but no, I kept up with the watering. So if you have a look here, let me just lift this and then you can see the roots. Hang on 1 second, if I can lift it at all. If it's in a clear plastic pot, only water it when the actual roots are grey. For example, like this one, that was grey, so I would have watered it now. But now I have watered it, they've all gone green. This is a good sign that the orchid is, well watered. Secondly, once the actual spikes die off, just cut them. Cut them down to where it goes brown. So I cut mine here, and it continued to go brown just slightly, and then it's formed a callus. Hopefully it doesn't go any further brown down that stem, but if it does, I will just cut it until I've got rid of all that brown material. But it's just stayed like that for quite a while now. I fed it over the summer with some feeder, but in winter I plan to stop. So this feeds for 4 weeks, so I'll put that in and left it like that for the summer. Now, if you look at the leaves are all dormant, generally speaking. But if you have a look at this leaf at the top, that is potentially going to produce another flower spike. See there? I know the video is not brilliant, but if you have a look at down here, there's already a leaf. There's one leaf there and there's one leaf there, and that means the likelihood is that this is producing 2 baby clones, and that is pretty amazing that this is occurring. 2 clones, so it will have silvery roots growing out here as well, but we're just waiting for the next leaf. Now the reason why that has happened is because the mother plant has had lots of energy and the temperatures have stayed consistently warm, therefore forming 2 keiki plants. Now if you look at the top, you will see that the likelihood is that this is the new branch spike that's going to grow from the top of these stems. You can see. Now the reason why these are likely to produce stems or branches is because if you're going to get a flower spike, you're going to have temperatures which are warm during the day, then they drop a couple of degrees at night, and this signals the plant to throw out some more spikes, some more branches, some more flowers. But if the temperatures are consistent and they're quite consistently warm, then it sets out these baby keikis, and these you can actually as they mature break off, but this I am going to leave on the plant and see what happens. So follow me if you want to see how my orchid plant progresses over the next few months. Take care.